Looking for non-copyright music you can download for free? Here's how to download copyright-free songs using Chrome on your phone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Non-copyright or royalty-free music can be used for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and videos without copyright claims. First, open the Chrome app on your phone. In the search bar, type Pixabay Music and open the first website. Using Pixabay, which offers free copyright-safe music. On the website, tap on the music section. You'll see a list of free songs. You can scroll through the list or search by mood, genre, or song name using the search bar. Tap on a song you like, then tap the download button. Choose the download option when prompted. Open the Files app on your phone, go to Downloads. Your song will be saved there. Always check the She License section on the website. Most Pixabay songs are free for commercial and personal use, but credits may be appreciated. You can safely use these songs for YouTube videos, shorts, TikTok, Reels, and edits. Download songs in advance so you don't need internet while editing videos. And that's it. That's how to download non-copyright music using Chrome on your phone. Subscribe for more creator tips.